Hi, Jess here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. Don't normally do a Monday video, but I'm popping on because we're just entering the final week of September, which is the final week of the Stampin' Up year, and I just thought I'd pop on and tell you about the free paper pack offer that's on. I've not talked about this yet, and I can't believe I've not talked about it. It's the Dashing Along designer series paper, and it is a special extra host gift. So with Stamping Rewards, if you place an order and it is £150 or more, then you get rewarded by being able to choose more products that are absolutely free. So if you spend 150, you get £15. If you spend £200, you get £20. All absolutely free, added to your order, and choose whatever you want, including some exclusive host sets that you can't normally buy. And this is an extra that's going to be added absolutely free if your order is over £200. So you might think, gosh, that's a real lot to spend, but you could think about sort of treating yourself for up and coming Christmas, buy some crafty friends and Christmas presents. There's some wonderful stuff on the clearance rack right now, or maybe you've got a couple of crafty friends and maybe you get together and you could order together and then split the packet. Okay, so this is the designer series paper. The colours are Cherry Cobbler, Garden Green and Whisper White, so perfect for your Christmas makes. So same quality as our designer series paper, and you get 12 in a pack. So if three of you get together, you'd get 4 sheets each. If 2 of you got together, you'd get 6 sheets each, and so on. I'm not going to do any more maths because I'll probably get it wrong. So these are, it's all double-sided, and these are the patterns. Okay, so that's the 2 sides of this. So this beautiful cherry cobbler there, and this is the other side of it, which I just think's absolutely stunning. This one, lovely for Christmas. You've got your sort of holly leaves there and your bit of flower, but you could stretch it for something else. This one is just this beautiful sort of swirly pattern, which could be for any occasion. The 2 of them, as you can see, complement and go beautifully together for a project. This one, I just love this sort of paper. This is why I wanted this, because I just think that's gorgeous. I love that scrapbooking. It's just perfect to have that writing on the back. And often when you get written words, that it's like a white background, maybe slightly vintagey, faded. You could of course fade this with your make it look aged rather, with some neutral inks, but it's printed in green, and often they're kind of printed in black or grey or whatever, but this one's printed in green, so it's a little bit different and I like it. And this is the other side, just showing you it's the other side, and these are these beautiful stars, and I just think that's a really fun piece of paper, this favourite. And then this is the other sheet in the set that you get, so it's this one side and this the other. Neither of these necessarily have to be Christmas, looking at it. Oh, that's making my eyes go funny. Is it making yours go funny? Oh, it's like one of them optical illusions. Maybe I'll turn it that way around and it'll be less, although now that's making my eyes go funny too. So yeah, so what you get is you get 4 sheets of each. So really there's only 3 there are 3 different pieces, and they're that on one side and that on the other. Okay, so you get 4 of each. So if there are 4 of you clubbing together for an order, you would end up with, these 3 beautiful sheets each. And obviously, if there's more of you, you get less, and there's less of you, you get more. That maths I can do. And they go, I just got out the garden green, the cherry cobbler and the whisper white here to show you how they coordinate beautifully with these colours, like so. So you could make a ton of lovely Christmas cards, a ton of lovely Christmas gift wraps with this, and it's just lovely traditional sort of Christmassy colours. Okay, I'm going to make a few projects with it. So come back and see me sometime. Okay, all details over on my blog, nigezza.co.uk.